Hello, hi JVNs, Namaste. My name is Asif Ali, Faculty of Physiotherapy and Diagnostic, Jyoti Vidyapith, Women's University, Jaipur. Moving and lifting of the patient, trolley setup and stretcher method. Stretcher method, the patient. Meaning moving and lifting, moving and lifting of the patient mean shift or transfer the patient from one palace to another palace with use of different types of device, with use of different types of device. For example, wheelchair, stretcher, when the patient is not able to move or lift on self. Again, moving and lifting of the patient means shift or transfer the patient from one palace to another palace with use of different types of device. For example, wheelchair stretcher, when the patient is not able to move or lift on self. Device use wheelchair or armchair, wheel bed and stretcher. Wheelchair first, wheelchair or armchair second, wheel bed and third stretcher. Indications: moving the patient from bed to wheelchair and back. Pre-operative patient and anemic patients and old age patients, and to shift the gynec patient, and for shifting the patient from ward to the investigations area. Again, pre-operative patient, anemic patients, old age patient, to shift the gynec patient, for shifting the patient from ward to the investigations area. Contraindications: critically ill patients, spinal injury and fracture patient, cesarean patients, and head injury patients, semi-conscious, unconscious and coma patient, patients. Indications: moving of the patient from bed to stretcher and back, bed to stretcher and bed back. critically ill patient, general instruction in moving and lifting of the patient, general instruction in moving and lifting of the patient. Plan the movement of patient, ahead of the time and be sure the path is clear. Face the direction in which the movement will be made to avoid twisting. The area to be support are head, shoulder and chest, hips and thigh and ankle. General instruction in moving and lifting of the patient. Plan the movement of the patient ahead of the time and be sure the path is clear. Face the direction in which the movement will be made to avoid twisting. The area to be support are head, shoulder and chest, hip, thigh and ankle. Take the help of the worker and coordinate the movements. Unless contraindicated, encourage the patient to use his ability as much as possible. Observe the patient for orthostatic hypotension. Don't support the patient under his armpit. Always lock the wheels of the chair and stretcher. Avoid jerking and twisting during the lift. Nurse responsibility. Preliminary assessment. Check the diagnosis of the patient. Check the level of the conscience and ability to follow instruction. Check the ability of self-care. Check the ability and limitation such as paralysis, fracture and splints. Check the presence of the muscles. Skin and bone lesions and attachment. Example, catheter and IV connection. Check number of personnel required. Preparation of the patient and unit. Provide the privacy. Explain the procedure. Adjust the bed at working height. Penfold the top linen, change the wet linen, offer the bedpan, remove all comfort device, clamp the catheter, attach the IV port to the device, position put, stool if need. The patient from bed to chair or stretcher. The patient from bed to chair or stretcher. Before the procedure. Preparation of the environment, preparation of the patient, preparation of the articles, preparation of the on-self, during the procedure, step of the procedure, and step of the procedure, and after the procedure, The trolley is made of great tubular MS pipe to give it a great strength. The trolley system. The trolley system consists of two parts, two undercarriage and one stretcher. Moreover, the stretcher can be raised from one end on a racket. 15 centimeter casters are used to mount the body section of the trolley over its base. One of the main features of the trolley is that it comes with some great component such as the adjustable IV rod, a cylinder cage, and also along with a utility tray to perform several functions in an easy and efficient manner. The normal size of one stretcher trolley is 187 to 57 by 90 in centimeters. Other than this standard system, other trolley system used for the transfer of people are hospital, emergency and recovery trolley hydraulic. Hospital stretcher trolley with matters. Hospital stretcher trolley with removable top. Desco India manufactures some of the best in class patient transfer trolley system for the same. Any doubt and any query to use comment box. Thank you.